The latest is, when we look at the most vulnerable, the over 70s category, over 95%, more than 19 in 20 of our over 70s have had their first jab. That's up from around 3/4 2 weeks ago. So I think we've pretty much maxed out in terms of giving over 70s the jab. So let's focus on the adults. That number in Cambridgeshire now 29%. That seems to be rising around 4% each week. So slow but steady progress. And comparing Cambridgeshire to the rest of England, well, we're consistently above the vaccination rates for the rest of England across all age groups. So good news there.
Let me ask you about hospitals. We know it's too soon for the impact of the vaccination to probably be seen yet. So has lockdown eased pressure on the hospitals yet? Can we tell that the pressure's getting lighter?
Yeah, for the past few weeks or so, we've seen the hospital figures falling in terms of the number of COVID patients and also the proportion of beds in Cambridgeshire's hospitals that are being taken up by COVID patients. So COVID pressure in Cambridgeshire's hospitals is now around half what it was at its peak 3 weeks ago. So we've seen things really come down. In fact, for the first time since the 2nd of January, COVID patients now taking up fewer than 1 in 7 of our core beds. And that figure was 1 in 4 just 3 weeks ago. So things really are coming down, but the numbers still do remain high. The number of COVID patients across Cambridgeshire as of Tuesday is 325. Now, that is down from 440 in the last week. But yes, still really high considering in mid-September there were just 2.